I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to set your default Amazon Fire device for content delivery. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to Amazon.com, and then sign in to your Amazon account if you're not signed in already. Step 2. Click Account and List to open a menu, and then click Devices in this menu. The Devices screen opens. Step 3. Scroll down to the Amazon Devices section and then click Fire Tablet. A list of your Amazon Fire devices is displayed. Step 4. Click the specific Amazon Fire device you want to enable as the default for content delivery. Step 5. Navigate to the Device Summary section and then tap More Actions in the Settings area. A menu opens. Step 6. Tap Set as Default Device in this menu. A window opens letting you know that the default device will show as the first device in the Deliver to drop-down menu found on Kindle product pages, as well as on the device list for Manage Your Content and Devices. Step 7. Tap Save. You'll now see the visual indicator letting you know that this Kindle Fire device will be the default for content delivery going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.